Call me crazy, but I'm personally not reaching for Red 40 at the first sign of a sniffle, but instead opt for homemade cough syrup, which is truly so easy to make. And you can make it too by chopping up some onion and garlic, adding that to a sterile jar. And I like to add horseradish, which I couldn't find fresh, so I used jarred here. And all three have expectorating and antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric for more immune boosting and anti-inflammatory effects. Peppercorn to help boost the turmeric. And then the entire thing gets topped with ideally raw local honey. This gets left on the counter for 2 to 3 days, letting it burp each day, in which time it'll subtly ferment and the honey will draw out the immune boosting compounds in all of the ingredients. Then I just strain it, and I personally add this to tea or just take spoonfuls straight up. I keep it in the fridge for whenever I want or need a little immune boosting sweetness.